Record na.
Ikaw lagi sinubukan ko ika'y kalimutan hanggang ngayon di ko makakayanan pagkat ikaw ang laman puso ko't isipan sa arawang tumingin. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Ikaw ang sarap, ikaw ang dahilan. Masasabi sa'yo na ikaw ang tinitibok ng puso ko. Ang aking nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Asahan mo ito sana ay di na maglalaho pagkat ikaw ang
To fasten your seatbelts, push ends together. Tighten to loosen the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle, and pull. To unfasten, lift up the buckle and pull the ends release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your arms. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Zip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist and push ends to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. The life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push them inward to release air.
Oh, mahal ko.
Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event of emergency, oxygen is required. Oxygen mask will drop above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band first, bend and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, with your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. The exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and band markings will use these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety cords found in the seat pockets in front of you. Preparation for takeoff. Ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs in the upright position. Large electronic devices and laptops and tablets still stored in pockets. Window shades open and treated. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Pagsubok ang dumating, init ng yakap mo, nararamdaman ko. Hiling ko lang, magsama-sama na tayo.
Mabuhay. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Time check for your convenience. It is 19 minutes past the hour of 3 in the afternoon. Today is the 30th day of March, 2024. Remain seated with your seatbelts firmly fastened until the seatbelt signs switch off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and wait instructions for departure. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. All passengers with connecting flight out of Manila will be given priority. For passengers who need assistance, please approach any of your cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Laudiona and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Thanks for flying with us. Ingat po sila.
Hi. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thanks for flying with us.
Bye-bye.